Hello and welcome to this SolidWorks project-based course on how to make a Lego helicopter like this. This course is mostly designed for people who already have a little bit of SolidWorks knowledge, but now want to practice those skills in a fun way. My name's Ellison and I'm a design engineer and product designer, and I've been using SolidWorks since 2006. I've previously created a range of SolidWorks courses that take people from being complete beginners all the way up to being competent users. But for this one, I wanted to do something a little bit different. During the course, we'll create a complete Lego helicopter assembly. We'll build every single part from scratch, we'll put them together, and then we'll even add mechanical mates that allow the blades and the tail rotor to spin around like this. The course isn't really designed for complete beginners, it's more for people who know a little bit about SolidWorks, who are maybe a little bit rusty and want to practice. But having said that, if you are completely new, then we do start off fairly slow and then speed up as we go through. So feel free to give it a try and just follow along with the videos. And if you do get stuck anywhere, then just send me a message and I'll try to help you out. So with that in mind, let's get started making our Lego helicopter.